It's at Metrotown Public Library. Just an update on the repairs here. I don't know if this ceiling installation is new, but this is where the fire was. Looks like they've got some books in there and it's repainted. And they're fixing the water damage and the smoke damage, so things are looking good. Let's go over here. Looks like some significant progress over here as well too. Cleaning things up. They got some bleach there. And they're getting the books out of the boxes. This side looks like it's almost back in action besides having some tape on the floor. Looks like they had to put down a whole new floor in here, so on-side restoration. Well, hopefully it can be back in action soon. There you have it.